is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, we're the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. So they gon' say, with the top down, screaming money, anything. We be up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me what you
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Asteria hair, and just jumping right in, I'm going to show you guys everything that the wig came with. So of course you get some lashes, and then you get everything that you'll need to install your unit and to preserve it after you're done wearing it. So the unit that I have today is a 10-inch bob, super cute, and this unit is actually completely ready to go. So it is bleached, excuse me. It's bleached, it's pre-plucked, and the lace is cut. So this wig is actually 100% beginner friendly. There's no additional work that you need to do with this unit at all. I think I already said it, but it's also glueless, and I love that this unit has combs. Glueless wigs slide no matter what you do, but with the combs it helps it to stay more in place. So for my install today, I'm doing very basic, nothing major, because literally there's nothing that you need to do. But just to kind of flatten out the lace a little bit, I do flat iron it before I put it on. And this is how my unit is looking straight out of the packaging. It looks great. Like literally it looks so good. I was super surprised. I think you can kind of tell, but yeah, I was super surprised. It's so cute, and I couldn't wait to actually like style it more to my liking. So the only thing that I did was add makeup to the lace, and then of course I'm just gonna give the hair a good little flat iron to get the little bumps out from shipping and handling. But the hair quality is great. You guys can see the hair looks good. It's flowing. The bob is bobbing. No issues at all. I love the cut, and it just looks great. Honestly, the hair is really nice, really good. I've been wearing it. I haven't had any shedding, tangling, no issues at all. Just, you know, having to keep flat ironing it every morning. But I feel like that's the case whenever I do a bob. Like when I do my quick weave bobs, I always have to like touch it up. But anyways, definitely check this one out. Definitely worth it. The links are in the description box below, and I honestly love Asteria hair. I've never had an issue with them. So again, check them out. Links are in the description box below, and let me know what you guys think. So please be sure to subscribe, like this video if you like it, of course, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. All I do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. So they gon' say, with the top down, screaming money, anything. We be up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide. bag. We on the same page, you're the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We be up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you're the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We be up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to